Morning.
Good morning.
I have the privilege of being able to blow someone else's horn early. Last year, I did a poem by the marvelous Mistress Ursula in a little box, in an even smaller box, in the world we called Zoom. And as I was thinking about doing something for this challenge this year, it hit me that one of the lovely things about this poem is it's also about the seasons. It's about the seasons of a woman's life. And so, good gentles, I give you Walpurgisnacht. The old witch smiles, shakes her head, remembering the many flights she took when her hair was still red, the unclothed dance, the wild nights. How, with her sisters, 3 and fierce, they scampered up the mountainside and laughed to feel the rain shafts pierce their flying robes, the skin inside. And yes, they loved the devil too. 100 devils shaped like men who courted them to drink and screw, then left their hearts to start again. Together, then they worked their spells, laughing in unholy glee. Amongst verses, circles, lights, and bells, empowered them and set them free. The old witch smiles in memory, lets herself into her flat. Too much life left for reverie. She makes the tea and feeds her cat. Thank you.